One of the most important ROI cases for our system, for the clean line, is ability to insource short runs from your external suppliers. With the majority of SKUs and low volumes in many factories, there is huge portion of production produced outside of the business. So with our technology, you can save 20 to 25% on the outsourcing. Extreme flexibility that we are providing, short changeover times, and affordable 3D printed parts on site help you to economically absorb projects that were not profitable. So you gain profitability on the short runs. One of the most important business cases you can create with our hyper-agile platform and clean line is to compose few lines that you have in your factory in one. Our line has extreme range of products that you can fill. You can fill all of these bottles which are behind me on one machine, from very small volumes to very high volumes, replacing 3 or 4 lines, saving a lot of space and cost.